Hey everybody, thanks for joining me again. Or if this is your first time, welcome. I just would like to ask you that if you enjoy this, if you please like and subscribe, it would help me tremendously. Thank you so much for doing that for me. First, I'm going to, this is going to be the last coat of white right now. Then we'll sand and put some gloss on it. I am going to remove the hood for right now because this part needs to be primed. I did the underneath, but I have to prime this and do this next. So I'll put that aside. Here we go. A little spray, make sure there's no clogs in it. I'm going to do something so all those fumes don't surround me anymore. Quarter turn. At the front. There we go. At the car, we'll see how it comes out. I might have to flip the body upside down to get the parts that I can't see, like, you know, under the front, under the rear. Let's push that aside. And I'll take this nifty little unit here. Give these guys one more spray. Oh, that's right, that's where the hood was that I took off. And there we go. All right, I'm going to shut this down. I'll turn on my fan and we'll head back upstairs.